Good morning, riders. We are leading off with a still shot of the Gulf of Mexico at the end of this parking lot to give you an idea of the beauty of nature and what man has carved out. We are off today on an adventure of just riding the bike around Venice, Florida. It is mid-October in Florida, so I don't know exactly what to expect here. Weather has been uncommonly warm, even for that area this time of the year, which is a pleasantry for tourists. I'm not sure about the locals. Looks like we are heading north along the Gulf and to a jetty we visited yesterday. The marina screen right. Oh, wait. We ran into some friends. Let's chat with them and see what's up. I guess we're not going to make it all the way to the jetty. Well, you got a chance to see that in a prior video, so much for that. We will be crossing over the channel and continuing our trek north along the Gulf, seeing what other attractions strike our fancy. And speaking of fancy, here's another one from the O'Neill brothers entitled Love Always. We are crossing over a channel again, and it's a boat storage warehouse. Screen right. Here we go. And you can see they can put some sizable boats in there, primarily leisure craft. Maybe they use them for fishing tours. We're going to stop in here, get a bite to eat. And you are Nice move. Your usual appetite, light and quick, but not quite satisfied. Let's stop back here, see what this ice cream's about. Got a couple locals there on bicycles. And we can see those same locals again. Heading back to Venice Avenue and easterly direction. We'll continue our trip, but first fuel up. And by chance, we were just passed by the Canadian couples. We'll see if we can catch up to them, traffic permitting. And there they are. We'll follow them back to the villa. And have a brief stop here while the boats travel under the bridge, while the drawbridge is open. And there we see we got the go ahead. On we go. Well, they pulled a move on us. Once again, it's been good traveling with you. Get some rest. We've got a big trip back to Minnesota scheduled for tomorrow.